Hey everybody, and welcome to McCarthy Math Academy 101, where I can walk you through some video tutorials on some frequently asked questions. That way you can maximize the potential that McCarthy Math Academy resources and videos have. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to access the members-only content. Now, we're going to take two different routes today. The first path would be if you are an individual teacher or a parent and you happen to come across McCarthy Math Academy, how you access the members-only content by getting a free trial. The second path would be if your school signs you up for a free trial. So let's go ahead and jump in and let me teach you. The first path we're going to take is if you are an individual teacher or a parent who's trying to homeschool or provide homeschool support, and you want to know how to get your free trial and access this members-only content. Well, you would probably land on a page similar to this. This is where you'll see a video that says, "What is McCarthy Math 155?" Go ahead and click on that if you'd like to learn more. You probably already have. And it says here, click here for your free trial. So we are going to do that, okay? It says, request a 7-day free trial. So here's what you do. You take less than 60 seconds. Let's see how long this takes me. What's your name? Sarah McCarthy. What's your email address? McCarthyMathAcademy@gmail.com. I am a classroom teacher. I'm interested in all the grades. Maybe you're also a parent who's interested. How did you hear about McCarthy Math Academy? YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or wherever else. I love knowing where you heard about it, so make sure you let me know there. And then comment. This is just for us to connect so I can know what are you really looking for when you're signing up for this free trial. Here we might say, I love your YouTube videos and have heard great things. Okay, click right there to agree to receive marketing and promotional materials, and you're gonna click submit. So then go ahead and go to your email address. You might need to check in your spam folder and just check for an email that's from a no reply sender, and it says welcome to www.mccarthymathacademy.com. Click that one, and here it says, "Hi Sarah McCarthy, you have been invited to join McCarthy Math Academy. Welcome to your free trial of McCarthy Math Academy. See the link below to access the members only content. I'll be checking on you during your free trial. But if you have any questions, please email me at that email, mccarthymathacademy@gmail.com from me." It says, please click here to access the private pages shared with you. These are the members only pages, so you click that. If you plan on sharing this as a class code with your students, I suggest coming up with a password that's kind of student friendly, all right? So for instance, like math 1, 2, 3, 4. Click continue. Your password is set. You can now log in, so let's log in. And we just have to type it one more time. If I could spell my name correctly. Okay, when you first log in, it's going to come up with this table right here that says my account, and it shows you all the pages to access. I don't really like that, so I like to X that out and go right to access for members only and click on the grade level that you're looking for. So let's say I'm looking for 3rd grade because I'm a 3rd grade teacher, and boom, now I've accessed all the members only content there, which we will go over in the next episode. So that's how you get in if you are an individual parent or a teacher. But let's say that your school says, hey, I want to sign up my staff with a free trial. So you're going to enter into this a little bit differently, and that will be because you received an email from me that looks something like this. When you open it up, it's like a PDF. It'll have your school name right here. You find your name, and you're going to click it. So my name is Sarah McCarthy. I'm going to click my name, not my email, but click my name, but it'll give you the option to set up your password there. If you plan to use McCarthy Math Academy as a class code with your students, then make sure that you set up something student-friendly, not anything personal. If you do set it up with something personal and you want to change it, you always have that option. And if you have any questions, you can always email me at mccarthymathacademy@gmail.com. And that's for any of your questions. I'm here to help you, okay? So please email me if you have any questions so I can point you in the right direction. You can also find me on Facebook and on Instagram. You can direct message me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And then when you're like, yes, I love this is totally what I need, there's a monthly plan and there's an annual plan. I wanted to make both very affordable for the amount of resources that come with your membership. And if you are fortunate enough to have your school pay for your membership, that's awesome. It's actually really affordable for schools under their budget. Either way, there is no financial information saved in this platform, which means that it's safe for you to share it with your students using a class code. So again, for today's tutorial, we discussed how to access the members-only content. Now, did we go through the members-only content and really navigate and explore the site? Not on this episode, but that's what's coming next. So I will see you on the next episode.